Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, head trader, Penny Stocks Club 13. It's Wednesday, October 7th, 2020, guys. And I have a great story for you all today. Um, but before I go on to the story, guys, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, guys. If you have any comments from previous videos or anything you want to know, go ahead and post them on the comment section below. Again, I want to remind you, keep your comments respectful. That's all I ask. And let's get to it, guys. So it was just one of those roller coaster days, guys. I was so uh, off target today. I traded horribly in the morning. I had three straight losses, three back-to-back losses, and I just felt horrible. My emotions were high. I was feeling so many emotions, just kind of froze me for a second, and I wanted to trade everything and anything because I wanted that to get all that losses back. And mind you, I did keep my losses at a minimum as much as I could, which was good. But just having those three back-to-back losses was just really set a toll on my psyche, on my emotions, on my psychology. And I just took a step back for a while, about an hour or so, just calmed down, controlled my emotions, and I kept saying to myself, you know what, you're a better trader than this. You needed to expect this red days or this red trades, and you have to accept them. You have to take it for what it is, and then just keep on moving, keep on grinding, keep on trading. So I settled down, I calmed down. The group was putting up some suggestions and some call outs. So I thought I was going to end the day on a red note, but thankfully, thanks to the teamwork on the Ppsi 13 website, guys, on the chat room, I owe this day to them. They were awesome. Janie, Mir, Brian, and Orica, they all just were awesome. They helped. They put up good suggestions. They put up good trade ideas, and that's how I managed to end the day on a green note, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about all of these trades, how it developed, and how it was a team effort, guys. Because that's the only way you can trade profitably. If you have a good trading community, which is supportive, which are there for the same reason, to learn and grow together. And when a trade fails, they're right there to pick you back up, guys. And honestly, I've always traded alone until now that I have this chat room, and it's been a great experience. I've grown so much more as a trader, and it's because of all the people that are in the chat room, and for that I am very thankful, and I just want to send a shout out to them. Also, I got one of my good buddies join our chat room, so a shout out to Nathan. He took his first trade with us yesterday, which was or 2 days ago, which was CBAT, and he nailed that one. So I think on that trade he got his money back, and he was ecstatic about it. So again, let's go and get started with GEVO, guys. GEVO, we traded this one last week, traded it here for 20% return, then locked in some more profits here on the swing trade for 10% return. And then, of course, we let it play, and I told you over one would be my re-entry. I entered it again yesterday. I held it on my smaller accounts for a swing trade, took profits today. Let's go to the 1 day 3 minute. So we entered yesterday. It did come back down when the market started dipping because of the news. It thankfully came back up, took profits at 117 in the morning. Then I just let it play out, guys, and you can see that I had my resistance line here at 118. So right here I call it out for the break of 118. We jump in, we hold on, and look at what it did after market. I just was watching my phone, and the chat room was going crazy with I took profits at 138, I took profits at 140. So It was awesome. Another successful trade on GEVO. And again, we've been nailing this one for good trades. We didn't have to hold on to it. We didn't need to hope that it would start reversing. We locked in profits, locked in profits, locked in profits, and when we locked in some more profits, and our money is not stuck there just doing nothing, guys. We used that money from the profits, made some more money on CBAT. We made some more money on so many other plays without having to have our money just sitting there doing nothing, guys. So that's the reason I don't like to buy and hold for more than 1 or 2 days. Possibly 3 would be the most for me. So GEVO, guys, just keeps on giving. So I'm thankful for that one. And here is a call up from JNM, a group member here at the Ppsi 13 chat room, guys. You can see the daily here had a big day yesterday, and then today, you know, it's kind of trading between that 50% retracement line. And let's go to the 1 day 3 minute, guys. So they call it out in the morning, you know, starts making this big push. Let me go ahead and zoom in here. So it starts making this big push. It gets halted right here. It reopens and then makes the initial high of day. Then it just starts doing this wedge pattern. And speaking of wedge patterns, guys, if you signed up for my free newsletter, last night I put up a newsletter on how to trade wedges. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and go to www.ppsi13.com. It's completely free. Just sign up. You'll be receiving an email update every time I put up a new newsletter, and it will be full of different information, some trade ideas, some trade suggestions, and you know, informational stuff on how to trade different types of patterns. So this one was put up there for those beginners. So again, it was starting to do this symmetrical wedge, and I got in at 548, guys, somewhere here when it broke above VWAP at 548, and then comes back down. It bounces at the trend line that I have here. You see the white trend line. This is something I drew. Bounces back here. It breaks, and then it just comes back in and curls back up. I didn't take profits here because I felt it had more to offer. So, you know, I was looking at a possible resistance level that kind of matched with a VWAP here. So that's where I was looking at, and that was the 560 level. It didn't quite get all the way down there, but you can see how it came close to it. It bounced there, and then it just never looked back, guys. I told the team it's starting to look strong. I think it's gonna hold, and I think it's gonna take off. So right here's where I said that, and then it just started squeezing up, guys. Final take profits was at 730, 725, then 730, and it was about a 30% return, guys, from 548 to that level there at let's just say 725. That's a 30% return, guys. I held on to 25% of my profits for a little bit on my main account, and I just took profits here, and I am holding this one on my smaller account since I didn't have day trades. And you know, we'll see how it opens up tomorrow. If we look all the way back, it's trading in the channel, guys. So it all depends at the open tomorrow, how it opens, what it does, and you know, we just got to be ready for. So here's that little channel that it's trading on, guys. You can see that it got rejected exactly at that level. Okay, that 750 level. So, you know, we'll see how it opens. If it opens over that 750 level, then we can expect it to move at least to 10. So we'll see. Ppsi, guys, will be on watch for tomorrow. And that, again, one of the members called it out. Another one gave the idea of 750, which of course you got to look back over here to previous resistance levels, and that's where it got rejected. And I agreed with that completely. So we held it as much as we could, and then we took profits. So Ppsi, guys, a teamwork effort. And what we have for string trades, guys, is U1K. Did I type that correctly? U1K. So that, you know, this one, I didn't get any alerts. I did have some alerts. You see that I have some alerts here. I had some here. It never alerted me. I even had one at 125, and it never alerted me. When it alerted me, it was already up here. I got them late for some reason. I don't know what's going on with Thick or Slim. I've been getting alerts late. Thankfully, you know, the team members, some of the team members get them, and they alert me as well. Then all of a sudden, mine come up. So let's go look at the daily chart, guys. And this is my favorite type of pattern. Again, the push and then the curl. So hopefully tomorrow it can break above this 180 level, which is the 137 level. Break today's high and then just continue making its way up to 170. We'll see what happens, but all the U1Ks and all of those stocks that moved last week, they're moving up again today all together. CARV, IPDN, so those have to be on watch for you all, including U1K. What else do we have? Right now I have ALJJ on watch for day trade tomorrow. There's nothing to see here, but if you look at the 1 day 3 minute or 1 day 1 minute or 5 day 5 minute, it's gapping up right now, so it's going to be a gapper tomorrow. ALJJ. I also have ATEC, another gapper play for tomorrow. If you look at the daily, it's trading at 855 final traded price after hours. It closed at 688, guys, and right now it's trading at 852. So it'll be a gapper, so it's something that we need to keep on watch. The other one is IO. Same deal here, had a big candle, great close, and if we go to the 1 day 3 minute, you can see that it kind of gapped, but it came back down. So we'll see how it opens up tomorrow. IO on watch for possible gap play tomorrow. And then we have DPW, guys. This is also probably a gapper tomorrow. We look at the pattern. The pattern has that little cup and handle pattern, which is basically a cup is a curling pattern, and we want that continuation to the 350 level if it has that kind of trade tomorrow. Guys, that is all I have for you. Again, don't forget to go to www.ppsi13.com, sign up for the free newsletter to receive valuable information for those of you that are beginner traders and want to learn a little bit and pieces here and there. It's completely free of charge. All you got to do is sign up for the email to be alerted whenever I put up one. The latest one that I put up last night, again, it's on how to trade wedges, and there's going to be more information coming up like that. I try to simplify it as much as possible. It is not a lengthy read. It's probably like a 3 to 4 minute read. It's got graphics, it's got examples, guys, and it's just a way to I try to simplify it as much as possible so that you don't have to read a 300-page book on how to trade wedges. You just have to read one of those little excerpts, and from there on, just practice what you read from there. And that is it for me, guys. I hope everybody has a green day tomorrow, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.